So, you want to break into data analytics but you've got zero experience? Trust me, you're not alone, and honestly you're not too late or underqualified. In fact, 2025 is probably the best time to jump in. Companies everywhere, from scrappy startups to massive tech giants, are drowning in data, but very few know how to actually use it. That's where data analysts come in. And you? You don't need a degree or a fancy tech background, just the right skills and some grit. Let's walk through my simple 5-step plan to become a data analyst from scratch. Step 1, learn the right tools. Start with Excel. It's everywhere. And it's not just boring spreadsheets. You'll want to master sorting, filtering, formulas, and pivot tables. And don't stress, there are thousands of free tutorials online. Next, add SQL to your toolkit. Think of SQL as the magic key that unlocks answers from massive databases like, what was our most popular product last month? Or, how many customers did we gain? Then try out Power BI or Tableau. These tools let you create dashboards and visuals so you can turn boring numbers into clear, colorful stories. If you're feeling brave, start dabbling in Python, but honestly, you can land your first job without it. Focus on the basics first. Step 2, practice with real projects. Knowing tools is great, but using them on real data is way better. Go to sites like Kaggle, data.gov, or Google Dataset Search. Grab some free datasets and just start exploring. Try answering questions like, what were the top-selling products last year? Which month had the most sales? How did customer numbers change over time? Build a simple report or dashboard and write a short explanation of what you found. These hands-on projects are your secret weapon. They show employers what you can actually do, even if you've never had a data job before. Step 3, build your portfolio. No experience? No problem. Your portfolio is proof of your skills. Gather your best projects, upload them to GitHub, or make a simple website on Notion or Google Sites. Just keep it clean and simple. Add a short description, list the tools you used, share screenshots of your dashboards or charts, and write a few sentences explaining your analysis. This is what helps you stand out when you apply for jobs. Step 4, take a certification. Totally optional, but helpful. If you like structured learning, check out beginner-friendly certificates like the Google Data Analytics Certificate on Coursera, IBM's Data Analyst Certificate, or Microsoft's Power BI certification. These can give your resume a little extra sparkle, especially if you're brand new. Step 5, start applying and networking. Once you've learned the basics and built 2 or 3 projects, you're ready. Look for roles like junior data analyst, reporting analyst, entry-level business analyst, or data internships. Don't wait to be perfect. Many people land jobs while they're still learning. The key is to show you're serious, and you're already building your skills. Also, jump on LinkedIn, share your projects, post about your learning journey, and connect with others in the data world. A lot of opportunities come from networking, not just job boards. Let's talk salary for a second. In 2025, entry-level data analysts are making $60 to $90K in the US. In New Zealand, about $55 to $75K NZD. In India, freshers start around Rs4 to 7 lakhs a year. As you learn more and pick up advanced tools, your salary can go up fast, sometimes in just a year or two. So, here's your 5-step plan. Learn the tools. Practice real projects. Build your portfolio. Get certified if you want. And start applying. It may feel like a lot, but take it one step at a time. 1 hour a day is enough to build real momentum. You don't need experience. You don't need a degree. You just need a plan, consistency, and a willingness to learn. This could be the year you transform your career and your life.